Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a BMW M4 Competition with cardboard. First, gather your essential materials like sturdy cardboard sheets, a sharp utility knife, and strong adhesive. You'll also need a reliable ruler, a pencil for marking, and a cutting mat to protect your surfaces. Don't forget to have plenty of reference images of the BMW M4 Competition on hand to guide your design and ensure accuracy throughout the build process. Next, begin by carefully cutting out the main body panels from your cardboard, focusing on the chassis, hood, and roof sections. Precision is key here, so take your time. Once cut, assemble these primary sections using your strong adhesive, making sure all angles are perfectly square. Incorporate internal structural supports to give your BMW M4 Competition model rigidity and help it maintain its impressive shape. Now it's time to bring your model to life by adding intricate details. Carefully craft the iconic BMW grilles, headlights, and taillights using smaller, precisely cut cardboard pieces. Next, form the distinctive wheel arches and side skirts, paying close attention to their unique curves and contours. Finally, apply a smooth, even layer of paint or colored paper to give your cardboard BMW M4 Competition a truly realistic and polished finish. For the final touches, attach smaller exterior accessories such as side mirrors, spoilers, and any other distinctive elements that complete the BMW M4 Competition look. If you're feeling ambitious, you might even consider adding some interior elements like seats or a dashboard for an extra layer of realism. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.